Alright, we got a 787 British Airways coming in from London. Then right after this, there's a A350 coming in from Paris Charles de Gaulle and Air France. Oh, is that a 777 actually? That might be a 777. No, it's an No, it's a 787. Yeah, it's a 787. I thought it was a 777 for a minute.